In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reset a password here on a MacBook Pro 13. Before you do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Getting straight into it though, and I do apologize, I am currently screen recording, so it's going to be a little hard to demonstrate, but what you're going to want to do is press and hold down on the power button on your MacBook until your MacBook completely turns off. You got to keep holding it down until the screen goes fully black. From here, press and hold the power button again, but this time keep holding it until you see the option that says continue holding for startup options. Whenever you see these startup options begin loading, you can let go of that button. After a moment, you'll see your main drive along with an options button. Click options, then press continue to enter recovery mode, and your Mac will start loading and you'll eventually see a screen asking you to select a user that you do know the password for. Now, since you're resetting it, you're going to want to choose forgot all passwords. The system will then guide you through recovery. If your Mac is still linked to an Apple account, you'll need to sign in with that account. If you don't remember the password, select the forgot password option, and you'll usually be asked to enter the email address or phone number connected to your Apple account. Apple will also send you a verification message to that device so that you can reset the password. And whenever you do complete those steps, you'll be able to create a new password and sign back into your MacBook. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.